Hello everybody, and today I got a squishy package in the mail that I have been waiting for a while, like a month. So I decided to open with you guys because why not? So, first thing that I noticed that there's a really weird crunching, if you can hear that. So, yeah, that's just strange. This packaging is also kind of dirty, but I think it's just from like it taking from one place to another. So I'm assuming this was what the crunching was, this paper, and it's just everything that I had ordered, but at the end she put no refunds, so kind of confusing, but okay. So this just fell out of the packaging. It's a kind of hard squishy. It has a ripping on the back, so I'm assuming this is an extra, so thank you very much. Next, we have this dirty velvet squishy. Very slow rising, but if this is another extra, thank you, but I need to see my real squishies, honey. So, okay, now this is getting strange. I ordered a jumbo unicorn cake. I got a jumbo squish-delish unicorn with a drawn-on smile because clearly you can see the original smile faint on the mouth part. So I'm really confused. And it's really hard. It's not like squishy or anything. Is this supposed to be my Rilakkuma loaf that I paid $10 for? It's nice. It's cute. But not what I asked for, so. Okay, so this is a pair of socks. What? Oh, wow. Wow, I ordered a jumbo Oreo, an empty Oreo pack. Seriously, what the heck? Okay, that's kind of cute. This is cute. The Lord comes to the rescue each time. Don't know where she got this from, but okay. Liga. Don't want to use that. The end of a charger. That's nice. So. Is this also supposed to be my jumbo Oreo? It's not even a squishy. It's tiny. It says best on it, so I'm assuming there's another one that says friends. A bookmark. And a marker. So I'm going to email her about this, but hope you all enjoyed. Love y'all so much, and bye-bye.